Hey guys, Mitch here from the AudioDabbler YouTube channel, and I just recorded a vlog. Haven't posted it yet, but I will be posting it before I post this video. So if you're watching this video and you want to hear me talk about the new Gadget stuff, then there'll be a link somewhere. I don't know. But in the vlog, I talk about the new audio and Gadget and being able to just kind of record only 16 bars, which it equates to 32 seconds if you're at 120 with 4 beats per bar. So I mean, that's a lot of time. But what I kind of want to know is, will, if you're not recording, if you're not going to kind of standard pop kind of songs, if you want like a long, say you would just want a droney kind of ambient sound in the background the whole time for like a minute, is it easy to do that? Well, you really can't do it inside of Gadget because you can only record 16 bars at a time, from what I can tell. But what you can do is what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to try to do it live. This is how we're going to do it. It's how we're going to roll today. So, use stereo. Okay, so this should be inputting from here. We'll open up and a Moog. We'll get, let's get a pad. So I'm just gonna hold. Ooh, not that note. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, it's not monitoring. I can monitor it if I want to, but I'll spare you the droniness. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to record, so at 16 bars, 4 beats per bar at 120 BPM, it is 32 seconds. And so I'm going to record about a minute of audio into twisted wave, or at least 2 passes. So I'm at 40 seconds right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in twisted wave, I'm going to see if I can't get right at the 32 second mark and put a marker, select the audio, export it, select this next section, export it, and then import both into Gadget and then line them up. Track 1, scene 1, track 1, scene 2, and press play, and then let it play through. And then when it gets to the end, let it play through and see if there's a noticeable glitch. Okay, so I'm at about a minute or so. I'm gonna stop. Ooh, why? Ooh. Okay. Okay, so there we have that. Okay, so now in twisted wave, let's go here at the front. Actually, you know what? I don't know why I'm thinking 32. It'll be a lot easier if I just do like little 8-bit sections, or 8-second sections. So how do I get to 8 seconds? If I do, let's go back to this little calculator I found. Let's do 120. And let's see what 8 bars will be. I guess that would probably be 16 seconds. Let's do 4 bars. That would be 8 seconds. Okay, so let's try, see if we can't get right in here to 8 seconds. Okay. Okay, and so can we put a marker? just gonna move this. So it's definitely gonna be a little fidgety. So zoom way in here. Okay, so now let's put a marker there. I guess I could have just hit marker. Delete. Okay. And see, it'll snap to the markers, so that's good. And so let's go to at 8. So let's go to 16. Get right on 16. Put a marker. Oops. And it's not going to let me because it defaults to the 0 position. So can I unsnap that? Let's see. Settings. Oh well. Well, it'll be good enough. So let's put markers there. Okay, so now what I can do is I can select this. I can go to export. We'll call this file 1. Export selected area. I could open in. Let's just open it in to audio share. Okay, so now we got 8 seconds of that. Go back in and do another 8 seconds. Open in audio share. Ah, crap, it's gonna file 1.1. Forgot to rename the file. Okay, and then let's select here, go back. And this time, I will just keep it file 1.1. Open in, audio share. Okay, so got 3 files that should play and sound just like this, without any pause or anything in between the different sections. Okay, so now let's just close out all that. Alright, let's bring in Gadget. Let's see if this is gonna work. So file new spiritual card. Sounds awesome. Zurich. Kind of reminds me of the von Liechtenstein from A Knight's Tale. I don't know why. Anyway, so import. Get a little download button there, and I can import from audio share, which is awesome. Okay, so now I can do, what was it? Now it would help if I knew what I called it, or what it called it. Twisted Wave file 1. Twisted Wave file 1. Okay. So let's go back. Let's add a new. Let's go here, import, down from audio share, File 1.1. File 1.1. Back. Import. Download. Audio share. File 2.2. File 2.2. So you import it, then you got to select it. So, okay. So now, what did I just do? Oh, so I need to go, what was I? I was at 4 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, crap. Go back. I guess I need to change each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's press play and see. Oh, I got it on. Seems like the same exact file. Maybe I should have put something in there that was a little bit different. Oh, that's not. That's. So, you know, that's weird. My tempo's at, oh, it's 127. Let's see. 120. Well, I heard a little bit of a glitch, but I guess it shows it can be a little finicky. Okay, so let's try that again. Heard a glitch before, but I was probably just heard a little bit of a something. So that might be something to take into account. Maybe if Korg is watching it, they can, of course, leave it up to the Audio Bus community to take an app that's supposed to do one thing and gripe about to the developer, hey, this don't do this. Well, it wasn't designed to do that. Well, we want to do that. I don't know. That's just how we roll over at the Audio Bus forum, I think. Seems to be. Or at least that's how I roll. Give me an app and I want to make it do things that it's not supposed to. Anyways. So, I mean, I guess that kind of showcases what I was wanting to do, what I talked about in my vlog video about it. If you wanted to do something with a droney kind of... keep not doing that. So it seems to... I don't know, I'd have to... Well, let's try audio share. Let's do master. And now we get a 24-second. It's hard to really tell if there's any, because there's a couple little glitches, but I don't know if it was just Animo glitching and Twisted Wave in the whole process, or it doesn't seem like it's on the sections where it should be, like going from 15 to 16. Maybe a little tiny bit. Yeah, just a tiny little bit. So I don't I don't know if there's a way. There's no effects on it. Maybe input out. Let's see, the output is the same. So I don't know, maybe put a little reverb in it to kind of polish out and kind of combine the two. May work, but anyway, thanks for, if you've stuck around to the end, thanks for watching this little Gadget Zurich test, and I will talk to you guys later.